My name is Leo Francis A. URK24CO 2005. This is Object-Oriented Programming Laboratory 23DC 2002, experiment number 7. So, in this experiment, I have totally three programs. The first one is word search, to search for a word given in a paragraph or given in a sentence. So the second program is to convert all the lower cases in a sentence to upper cases, and the third program is it finds the if any consecutive vowels are there in a line of text or in a line of sentence or line of programs. So over here, as you can see, in this I have created a class called word search, and I have It asks a, it asks the user to enter a paragraph of text, and as well as it asks the user to enter the word to search. So since Java is I'm converting both the paragraph as well as the word to search into lowercase. So the search is case insensitive. So over here, as you can see, to compare words accurately, I split the paragraph into pieces or into tokens using the hash w plus, which means one or more non-word characters. So anything that's not A to Z or 0 to 1 or underscore. So this helps, like, the reason why we are splitting this slash WS is it helps to ignore the punctuation like commas and many symbols like that. So over here, I traverse the words array once, and whenever a piece or whenever a token equals to the target word, the count variable or the count element will be incremented by one, and it pushes the one based index to the positions. So as you can see over here, when I run this code, as you can see, it asks me to enter a paragraph. I'm giving hi in name is object programming lab. So it asks the enter to word search. So I'm giving the word is. So as you can see, the word is occurred twice, and it also gives me the position. I told you the position index, which is 2 as well as 8. So this is the first program, and the second program is the second program is to convert all the lower letters to upper characters in a given sentence. So it converts all the lowercase lowercase letters in a string to uppercase without using the string dot to uppercase. So as you can see, the codes over here, the codes for A to Z are 97 to 122, which are the ASCII values, and for capital A to capital Z is 65 to 90. So the difference, what is the difference between those numbers? The difference is 32. So to convert a lowercase letter to uppercase, we have to subtract 32 from its character code to get for example, if you see small a's ASCII value is 97 and capital A ASCII value is 65. So what is the difference between those two numbers is 32. So if you want to convert a lowercase into uppercase, I have to subtract the value by 32 so that I can get the uppercase. So I've used the class a class called string builder. So the reason why I use string builder is string builder it is used for repeated concatenation in a loop, and it makes the easy. So over here as you can see lower. I'm giving hi. My name is Leo. So as you can see, the string is converted into uppercase. So this is the second program, and the third program is the third program is to find the consecutive pairs of vowels in a given text or in a given paragraph. So the vowel pair scans a string and identifies a consecutive word, vowels like A, E, I, O, like that. So we want like the result must be in both the vowels pairs and the total count. So how many vowels pairs are present in the string and what are the vowels pairs? So and in this code, I'm converting the input into a lowercase, as you can see over here. I'm converting the input into a lowercase. So the check of this AIO is much simpler. So over here, the we take the string with the index I and check characters at I and I plus one. So one by one. So we'll be checking each character one by one in this program. So over here, we have used index of a string of A, I, O, U to check the values, the to check whether the values are equal. So the iteration of the total loop is only once. So this is how the code works. So when I run it, as you can see, so I'm going to do like uh, I my name is Leo, and I have a question about something called AEIOU. So please read about it. So once again, as you can see, there are totally 11 pairs of vowels, consecutive vowel pairs, and what are the vowel pairs with this? So this is experiment number 7. Thank you.